Hi everyone, this is MOUSUMI'S and you're watching MOUSUMI'S Artistry. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my new video.
So here I have taken two plastic bottles cut out and designed the edges with the help of a scissor. And here I have taken Fabrica acrylic colors. One is burnt sienna and the other is the peach color. Before applying the colors, I have applied gesso properly as a base. Now it's time to apply the colors. You can see that the bottle cutouts are divided into two parts, and that's why I decided to apply the different colors in the different parts. At first, I have colored the upper section of the bottle with the lighter one and the lower section of the bottle with the deep color. Both the bottles are colored similarly, and now it's time to do something new with the help of Fevicol and a jute rope. And this is how I have attached the jute rope to give it a beautifully finished look. And now I have designed it with the help of Fabrica acrylic color, white color. First of all, I have made the designs on the upper section of the bottle, and then I have designed on the lower section. I have painted here some figures in a very simple way, which is a very ancient art form of India, and it's called Warli painting. It seems like they are dancing together and sharing their happy moments. Just continue to watch, you will see that how I have designed it completely and how I have used it as a planter. Both the bottles are designed in the same way, and after doing the figures I have made some dots here, and this is how I have completed all the designing work. And after finishing the designing, it is looking like this. So this is how I have made two holes to hang them, and on the lid of the bottle I have made one hole so that the water can drain out properly. And this is the final look.
So bye for now, thanks for watching. Do subscribe to my channel and do share my channel. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye bye.